Good morning, students. Today we will see one problem in moment of inertia. Okay, I think we have seen this particular problem. I think so. Find the moment of inertia of an angle section shown in the figure about its centroidal axis. Please underline that word centroidal axis. It is not with respect to base axis. It's about centroidal axis. So whenever they are saying centroidal axis, we have to calculate the centroid, and after that we have to proceed for moment of inertia. So first we have to calculate the centroid because they have asked about the centroidal axis. So now after seeing the cell section, what we are doing is we are dividing this particular section into two. Before that we have to give the coordinate axis, that is OX and OY. Are you getting? Then this cell section is divided into or subdivided into two sections. That is like this, that is 48 into 12, that is one section. Another one is, you know very well, that 40 by 12. Okay, these are the things. Please listen carefully. Those who have solved, those who did not solve, solve along with me. Okay, so once we divided like this, so this one I am taking as a first section, and this one I am taking as a second section. So now in the section 1, we have to calculate the area. We know that that is 48 by 12, so we got 576 millimeters square. Okay, and with respect to this axis, please make a note of it. Okay, it is not about the base of the rectangle, it is about the axis what we have given us. Okay, that OX and OY. With respect to this axis, we have to calculate X1 and Y1. So now we know this distance is 12, and this center axis will give the x1 value, that is this particular distance is nothing but x1. So when you are calculating x1, the total distance is 12, so 12 by 2 will give you x1. Any doubt in this? The x1 is along x-axis. Any doubt in this in the first section, x1?
No sir, 12 by 2.
Okay, fine. So x1 will be equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6 mm. Got it? Okay, for better understanding, I am again teaching you this. Okay, now we are moving to the Y1. Okay, so you know very well that this particular, again I will repeat, see here, this particular axis is the center of the section 1, okay, in the L section. So when I am calculating with respect to OX axis, this distance will be 12 plus 48 divided by 2. I know very well, because this 12 most of us will miss during the calculation. Please make a note that you have to calculate the Y1 with respect to the OX axis. Okay, so already we are having 12, and then 48 divided by 2 will give the center of the section. So then this particular length is Y1. Hope you understand much better now, I think so, because last time I have done in pen, but this one will give a clear picture what is Y1. So now Y1 will be equal to 12 plus 48 by 2, that is equal to 36 mm. Okay, so when you are solving the problem also, please make a note of it. You have to draw like this, and then you have to make it. Then only you won't make any mistake. If you are confident about that, no need to draw all these things. Directly you can write the answer. Okay, so next one, we are moving to the section 2. You can see here we are having the section 2, 40 by 12. So area easily you can calculate. A2 is 40 by 12, 480 millimeters square. Okay, similar to that, you have to, now you see the axis now, Y and X. So it is attached with the second section, because as per this format only we have drawn the X and Y axis. Okay, so now again you have to calculate this particular x2 distance. So you are drawing a centroidal axis of this section. So this length will give the x2. So this x2 is nothing but the total distance divided by 2. The total distance of this rectangle is 40. So 40 divided by 2 is 20 mm. Hope you got it. So now next one, you are going to calculate the y distance of this rectangle. So with respect to x-axis you have to calculate. So you can see this particular vertical height is your y2. So y2 you got 12 by 2, that is 6 mm. So once you got area 1, x1, y1, area 2, x2, y2, then we can calculate the centroid, that is x bar, that is a1 x1 plus a2 x2 whole divided by a1 plus a2 you got 12.36 mm. Am I right? 12.36. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Similarly, y bar, if you are
12.36.
calculating A1, Y1.
22.36.
Yeah. Okay. Hope you got it now. I think so. How much you got, y bar?
22.36.
22.36.
22.86. Okay. 1 minute. Nice day.
Same to you, sir.
Yeah.